This video will highlight the design planning for a small group discussion. When designing a small group discussion, it is important to keep in mind that you are designing for the in-person component as well as the online learning platform, Canvas. Highlighted on the screen is the Canvas format, which allows students to view the content associated with each session. Faculty members have control over what content is presented and where the content is placed. The setup and design of the Canvas page will influence how and when students interact with the session content. The setup of the Canvas session page can be conveyed to the Ed team through the completion of the faculty session handout in SharePoint. Please view the link Faculty Session Handout in the resource section for more information about this document. Key components of the Canvas setup include the title, optional session summary or blurb about the session, learning objectives, which drive the direction and information covered during the session. Before, this includes any material you would like students to preview prior to attending your session. During, this includes any presentation material that will be utilized throughout the duration of the session by facilitators or students, such as presentation slides, graphic organizers, or handouts. And after, this includes any supplemental material to aid student learning or answers to any questions that were posed throughout the session in the form of after slides. When designing material for your session, please be mindful of the text, color, and images that you include. This can be achieved through the use of appropriate text and image size, color, and contrast. It is crucial to ensure that materials included are aligned with the learning objectives tied to the session. This ensures material associated with quiz or exam questions are thoroughly covered in class. Small group discussion sessions will also have to consider the design of groups that will be utilized throughout the session. At this point in the design process, faculty should solidify group members, the space that will be utilized, and material given to facilitators and students. If questions are posed during your session, after slides with answers to each of the questions utilized should be created and will be linked for students to access after the session completion. The design of the after slides is created by making a copy of the presentation slides used during the session and inserting a duplicate slide after each polling question that highlights the correct answer. This is displayed on the screen. Once the session design is complete, the next step for faculty members is delivery.